You want to grow your hair 3 times faster? In this video, I review my secret DIY Ayurvedic hair growth butter recipe using 5 powerful seeds and 3 natural butters to stop hair breaking and promote extreme length. If you have hair breaking, if you have hair shedding, if your hair is not growing, or you have dandruff in your hair, stay tuned with me because this butter, it must be the butter that you are searching for long time ago. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek is stimulating hair follicles and minimize hair shedding and promoting healthy scalp. Regularly application can also reduce dandruff from your hair while you are using fenugreek. Fenugreek is packed with nicotic acid and protein, so it's also very good. After that, our next is flaxseed. So my queens, let's check and see flaxseed. Flaxseed is one of the best and my favorite ingredient when it's come to detangling, to detangle your hair. Flaxseed is having omega-3 fatty acid. It's also having vitamin E, and also flaxseed is preventing hair breaking and making your hair to get more shining and very soft. So our next ingredient is rosemary. So let's check and see rosemary. Rosemary is stimulating scalp circulation. It's having iron and calcium and vitamin E. Rosemary is having so many benefits, and I can tell you guys, you cannot stop everyone who is using, growing your hair. If you are not start using rosemary, whether it's the dry one or fresh one, try to find rosemary and start using now and thank me later. So lavender, it's also smoothing the scalp and having antimicrobial. It's also having lanolin and antioxidant. It's also helping the hair to look more healthy and making the edges, your new coming hair, coming out with a healthy way, because it's going to be the foundation of your scalp to make your scalp look much more better. So as we all know, always healthy hair always comes from the healthy scalp. If you have healthy scalp, definitely you are going to get the healthy hair. But if you don't have the healthy scalp, you can never get the healthy hair. So all these things are very powerful because it will help you to get the healthy scalp. While you have a healthy scalp, definitely automatically you will get a healthy hair. So now our next ingredient is hibiscus. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of hibiscus. Hibiscus is also one of my favorite ingredients when it's come for the hair growing side, because I use hibiscus almost all my treatment. Hibiscus is also conditioning the hair and conditioning your hair naturally, and also it's preventing your hair from premature graying. It's also having vitamin C and amino acid. So it's very good. Our next ingredient is moringa. So moringa, it's also promoting hair healthy and stimulating hair growing. It's also reducing hair breaking. It's having high vitamins, which is vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E and B. So moringa is one of the powerful ingredients. Also, one is come for the hair growing journey. So my queen family, right now I blended all my ingredients together to make it a powder form. I'm going to take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the powder, and the remaining one I'm going to keep it for the next tin. So right now what I'm going to do is my mango butter. It just remains small, but I will definitely going to take small because I ordered some, but I don't know when they will bring it. So I will take some small part of the mango butter in case I want to do something and I need a mango butter to use to do my DIY, so that I will know that yes, I have small one or small pieces to use it. So now after the mango butter, our next is going to be shea butter. I'm adding this amount of shea butter inside, and now this one also is a avocado butter. Yeah, this is avocado butter. So I'm using mango butter, shea butter, and avocado butter. So I'm using these three butters, and let's check and see the benefit of each butter. So now let's check and see the butters that I'm using. Let's start with the mango butter. Mango butter is deep moisturizing the hair shaft and sealing in hydration to prevent your hair breaking, and also protect against any investment damaging is going to cause your hair. Mango butter is going to protect your hair from it. From the blow up, is going to protect your hair from blow up, and from then, any damage thing, mango butter is preventing your hair from it. So especially mango butter is very, very good for those who have a very low prostate people. Mango butter are very, very good for them. So after the mango butter, let's check and see our next ingredient. That is shea butter. So my people, shea butter also is also deep moisturizing, deep hydrating and moisturizing and sealing everything in your hair, especially if you want something to seal the moisture into your hair. It's going to lock it in. But mind you, those who have a low prostate hair, if you are going to use the shea butter, please, you must take it a note of it, whether you have to stop put inside or you just put a less amount like how I put inside. Don't put the shea butter much. Don't let the shea butter be high quantity more than the mango or the avocado butter. You have to make everything high, but the mango butter you make it less. So after I make it like 40 minutes for dory boil method, I remove it and allow it get cool small. Now I'm straining it. So the water also, as you guys can see, that's my flaxseed. I told you guys I don't joke with flaxseed, so I'm making my flaxseed gel because this week I'm going to open my daughter's hair. So all these things I have to make sure that it's ready. So after that, I put it inside the fridge to solidify small, and now I bring it out, started whipping it. I added my first ingredient is honey. I added honey inside, and now I'm adding my glycerin also inside. All these things, I wish I can explain every benefit, everything benefit. And now I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside and my lavender essential oil. So mind you people, these things I just make it a less like pinch drop, because I will take it for my daughter. I will take some for my daughter before I can add ingredients better into it, because my daughter, her children hair are not like an adult. So when you are making it, the ingredient, the essential oils, you have to make sure that you make it like maybe one drop or two drop, not too much, not more than that for a children. So after that, your adults, if you want, you can pour everything inside. Even it's up to you. So now I divide the thing into two, as you guys can see. I take some for my daughter, and now I'm going to add my peppermint essential oil. I'm going to add all the ingredients that I put inside first. I'm going to put it again because now the remaining hair butter is I'm already take my daughter own, and now I'm adding the rest. Now I'm adding my strawberry essential oil. This essential oils, I love the fragrance. So, and it's also good for scalp. Also, it will make your scalp get more relaxed and clean. And what we need is clean scalp, nice scalp, so that the hair will do the work for us. So now that's it. people, avocado butter also is the same thing. It's also hydrating and sealing the moisture into your hair, dry strands, and also improving overall hair manageability without doing what? Without leaving a glass of, risk in your hair. It's not going to cause any risk for your hair. So it's very, very good avocado butter. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. My returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. How to apply this? Always try to use hydrating spray, or whether you are going to use Ayurvedic sprays, or you are going to use regular normal water to spray into your hair first to make it a little bit damp. So after you damp your scalp or your hair, then that's the time that you will use this hair butter. Please, and mind you people, don't use hair butter on your scalp. I always prefer like to use the hair butter for your hair itself, because it depends on how you even make it. As you guys can see how my hair butter is very light, because I never know, sometimes it can touch my scalp, so I don't want anything that can to make something mess for my scalp. But if you make it very light like mine, no problem, because as you guys can see my hand the way I'm doing, when you just do, you cannot see anything, everything just melting, so it can do with your scalp also without having any way. Thank you very much.